Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Beyond the Briefcase. I hope you all are doing well. So I'm back with various vacancies in various disciplines. So make sure you pay attention to all the vacancies because I think for most of the vacancies the deadline is very near. So starting with Central Council for Research Homeopathy, they are recruiting people in various disciplines, but we'll be focusing on consultant legal, and there is one post for that. Let's see what are the eligibility criteria which they are seeking for this particular vacancy. So as you can see, they are seeking people who have minimum 10 years of experience in administration, establishment, audit service methods, and law graduate will be given preference. So you should have 10 years of experience and your age not exceeding 64 years on the date of interview. So they are seeking experienced candidate for this particular vacancy, and the date and the place of posting would be New Delhi. And it's a contractual basis job; it's not a permanent job, as you can see. They have clearly mentioned. Also, they have given the email ID, and you will be intimated to the through the email once you fill the application form for this particular vacancy. So it's a experience vacancy. People who have experience, they only can apply for this particular vacancy, and this is application form which you need to fill up and you need to send on the given address. Then only your application would be considered. So moving ahead to the next vacancy, which has come up in DPPQNS Haryana. So there is one vacancy, consultant legal. 60,000 would be your remuneration, including everything, and there is no other perks and allowances. And again, it's a contractual basis job for 1 year. Place of posting would be Faridabad. They have clearly mentioned, and you need to fill the application form which they have provided. You need to send on the given address. You can see here they have provided the address as well, and the shortlisted candidates will be intimated through email ID and will require to bring, all your credentials, documents on date of interview on the particular venue. So this is a basic details which they have provided. So let's see the eligibility criteria. You should have a degree in law, more than 5 years and up to 7 years of experience with dealing matters in legal sector, government undertakings, semi-government or autonomous statutory organization or recognized institution, council or registered society. So you should have experience somewhere between 6 to 8 years. Then you can apply for this particular vacancy. 5 years experience as a legal practitioner. So if you're practicing from last 5 years continuously, any of the code, then you can also apply for this particular post. Desirable, so master degree, again they're asking. So I repeat in every video of mine that once you graduate, do complete your LLM, because once you complete your LLM, it gives you a lot of edge over other candidates. And basic things, computer literacy is compulsory. Appointment 1 year would be your tenure. After initially they'll engage you for the period of 1 year. 60,000 would be remuneration and no extra charge would be given to you. That's a consolidated salary, and they can terminate you whenever they want by giving 1 month's notice. This is application form which you need to fill up and you need to send on the given address. Moving ahead to the next vacancy, which is District Legal Service Authority, Pune. So they are recruiting full-time legal aid lawyers in legal and defense counsel office, district Pune. So people who are near to Pune, they can apply for this particular post. Also, if you are enrolled with this particular job, you won't be able to take up any other job. And for this thing, you need to fill your application form and you need to send through the speed post on the given address here. As you can see, they want your form before 2nd of April, which they have mentioned here. Also, you can visit Pune's official website. They have also mentioned the official website of the Pune District Court. So they are recruiting legally defense counsel. As you know that there are three legal aid defense counsel designation. The first being chief, the second being deputy, and third being assistant. Also, they have given the scope of work, as you know, that what kind of work they do carry out. For chief, as I mentioned, you need 10 years of experience to apply for this particular job. For deputy chief legal aid counsel, you need 7 years of experience. And for assistant, you should have, if you're a fresher also, you can apply. You should have between 0 to 3 years of experience for applying for this particular post. And they have given all the duties and what they want you to perform on the behalf of the entity. You can read it's all the basic details. So they have also mentioned remuneration 1 lakh rupees for chief legal, deputy 75,000, assistant legal 45,000. Vacancy for chief there is one vacancy. For deputy chief legal and defense counsel there are three. For assistant legal and defense counsel there are six. So it's a fresher job, and you would be getting 45,000. That's very fascinating. And you need to fill this form and you need to send on the given address. And you need to mention everything if you have dealt any case or what kind of experience you have, in which code you appeared, everything. And you need to provide yourself attested copies of certificates and credentials. Also, you need to sign a declaration here. It's a good job if you want to apply, and if you want to have handy experience of litigation, you should apply for this particular job. Now, coming to the next vacancy, Ministry of Labor and Employment, they are recruiting presiding officer, Mumbai, and let me tell you that this particular job is for the experienced professional. You should be a retired High Court judge, and then only you can apply for this particular post. The salary would be 25,000 per month. Your age should not be more than 65 years, and basic details as you can read. And again, you need to fill up this application form. You need to send on the given address. Then only your application would be considered. Again, the next vacancy is in Telecom Regulatory Authority of India, TRAI. Impanelment counsel lawyer. So basically, I'll tell you what exactly happens. So if you are an impaneled lawyer, you'll apply on the behalf of TRAI in various courts. Basically, you will represent TRAI in various courts. You'll have to fight cases. You'll have to defend TRAI in courts. So that's what impaneled lawyers do. So let's see what exactly they are. So the application you need to apply as an application for empanelment, and as you can see, basic details they have mentioned. Advisor. So you need to again fill the application form. You need to send on the envelope on the given address which they have provided. So the tenure would be for period of 2 years. So it's a contractual basis job. It's not a permanent job. And eligibility for engagement, as you can see here, the consuls should possess adequate experience in handling cases pertaining to telecommunication, broadcasting, cable services. So you should have at least 15 years of experience in High Court and State Consumer Redressal, and in 10 years of experience also. So for grade 1, you should have 15 years of experience. For grade 2, you should have 10 years of experience. And for the panel council grade 3, you should have 7 years of experience. So basically, they have segregated like for which grade, how many experience they are seeking. Also, the professional services required from the council, they have mentioned that what they expect from you, and termination general terms and conditions you can read. Confidentiality, interpretation, opening, evaluation of application, and this is an extra one which you need to fill up and you need to send on the given address to apply for this particular post. So this much they are providing for grade 1, grade 2, grade 3. You can see they have given for everything. If you draft this thing, they'll provide you this much of money. Moving ahead to the next, we can see. So it has come in Janjgir Chapa, Chhattisgarh. Caseworker, office clerk. So for the caseworker, they are seeking people who have law, as you can see here, and you should have 3 years of experience to apply for this particular post. For paralegal personal lawyer, you should have 3 years of experience and a law degree. Then you can apply for this particular post. And other vacancies is not relevant for the law people. And for both of them, the remuneration would be 18,420 rupees per month. Coming to the last vacancy, presiding officer Guwahati. So again, these vacancies for the experienced professional. Also, you can see, you will get idea how to in future, if you want to apply for this particular post, that what kind of education eligibility criteria you should fulfill. Then only you will be able to qualify for this particular post in future. So you should be an experienced retired judge, then only you can apply for this particular post. Age should not be more than 65 years of age, and you need to fill this pro forma, and you need to send on the given address to apply for this particular post. So I think, according to me, you should definitely apply this one, District Legal Aid Defense Security Authority, Pune. It's a fresher's job, and you'll get a lot of learnings and a good money also, because generally people don't get money litigation for initial years. So you should apply for this particular vacancy. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please share this opportunity with your friends, because many of the people, they don't know that such vacancies and such opportunities does exist. Do help your friends by sharing this video. Do subscribe. Definitely, you will be helping me as well by subscribing my videos, and do comment if you need my help. You can get connected with me through my Telegram handle, LinkedIn, and Instagram. You can check all the links of all the social media I've put in my bio. So thank you so much for watching my videos. Thank you so much.